A wind advisory is in effect for the following counties in New York: Brome, Chemung, Shenango, Cortland, Delaware, Otsego, Schuyler, Steubenton, Sullivan, Tioga, Tompkins, and Yates, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Northern Wayne, Pike, Southern Wayne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. Wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Locations: southern New York, northeast Pennsylvania, and the Catskills. Hazards: strong gusty winds. Winds northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to around 40 miles per hour. Gusts over 45 miles per hour are likely over the Catskills and the higher terrain of northeast Pennsylvania, including the Poconos. Timing: the strongest winds will occur from daybreak through early afternoon. Winds will gradually subside later this afternoon. Impacts: some minor wind damage and possible power outages. Wind advisories are issued when sustained wind speeds of greater than 30 miles per hour and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour are expected. Winds of this magnitude could cause minor damage to trees, power lines, and weaker structures. Persons in the advisory area should secure all loose objects. If you are traveling through the advisory area, keep a firm grip on the wheel, especially for those driving high-profile vehicles. Please report damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-888-603-1402 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. The flood warning continues for the Neoga River at Cortland until Sunday afternoon. At 9 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 8.2 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. The river will crest near 8.3 feet around 2 p.m. Saturday. The river will fall below flood stage after 3 a.m. Sunday. Impact: at 8.0 feet, minor flood stage. Flooding leads to some closures along Kellogg Road to the south of Cortland. The National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York has issued a flood warning for the Susquehanna River at Conklin. From this morning until Sunday evening, at 9 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 11.8 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage by 11 a.m. Saturday and crest near 12.4 feet around 2 p.m. Saturday. The river will fall below flood stage after 6 a.m. Sunday. Impact: at 12.0 feet. Flood stage: Alta, River, and Lawrence roads closed in the town of Conklin due to minor flooding. No homes are flooded at this river stage. Valley Park in Kirkwood takes on water. The National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York has issued a flood warning for the Susquehanna River at Vestal. From this afternoon until Sunday evening, at 9 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 17.4 feet. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage by 3 p.m. Saturday and crest near 18.4 feet around 8 p.m. Saturday. The river will fall below flood stage after 8 a.m. Sunday. Impact: at 18.0 feet. Flood stage: the river overflows banks and lowland flooding begins within the floodplain. A few rain or wet snow showers are possible this morning. Otherwise, today will be cooler and windy. After dry weather tonight, our next weather system will bring rain and wet snow showers to the area for Sunday. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Binghamton.
Okay, you listen to 1 wind advisory and 3 river flood warnings. Thanks for joining Caleb Eisner. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everyone, have a nice day.